Hello there, welcome to Blink and Babe. Thanks a lot for choosing to watch this video. In this video, we will quickly see about how to download or save lengthy video recordings from your TAPO camera. My TAPO model is C200 and I hope it would be relevant for other models as well. We all know that we can get into the playback and memory section, select the start position for the portion you want to record, click on record and stop it when you have had your desired video snippet. But this is time consuming even if you want to save 5 minutes of the recorded video. The TAPO app isn't that flexible, so the only other way I found is to directly access the SD card from the TAPO cam. You can use your Windows PC or an Android mobile to insert the SD card to view the entire video footage. It is actually easy to find the part of the video that you want to use. When you open the SD card, depending on the card's size, you see a lot of video files like shown here. These are just regular MP4 files and it can play in any video player in Windows and in Android without any issues. And all these videos are limited to 256 MB in size. I have my recording quality set to 1080 pixel and so each video has a length of approximately 49 minutes in it. If you have set the resolution to 720 pixel or lower, then I believe in that case each 256 MB video will have more duration. Now let's see how to find which video has the portion of the footage that we are interested in. If you look at the file name of the video, it would be something like this. The first set of numbers before the underscore is the date, starting with the year, then month and then date. In this example, the date is 6th March 2023. The next set of numbers are the time in 24-hour format, starting with hours, minutes and seconds. In this example, the time is 4:17 PM and 58 seconds. So this video starts at this time and goes up to 49 minutes in my case, which is 5:07 PM. If you had enabled the display timestamp setting in your TAPO app, then you would see something like this on the top left corner of your videos, making it easier for you to find the portion you want to cut. And once you find it, you can use any video editor tool to cut the video and use it. Hope this was useful. Catch you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.